I'm here preparing for Wednesday Open Studio here in Santa Fe, New Mexico. This is my messy corner, but here's our paints. I have 5 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here's our circle for our meditation. I'm gonna do another little video after this showing you how I do collage with my handmade gesso. This piece, I'm not convinced if it's done, so I'm gonna go back in it. Here are my 3 panels. I've started mucking about. I think I've showed you all this. I'm moving a little slow. They're on wheels, which is fantastic. And then these gestural marks that I was making. And then I'll set it up with how I do collage on these with just a rabbit skin glue. Yes, an animal hide. Here's my corner. There's my collage pieces. Let's see what I can show you here. Look at that, it's rolling. But I like to start my pieces, and I talk about this a lot, with mucking about. And so within that mucking about, it's like anything goes, because I believe the unconscious opens up realms for us with surprises when we let go into our right brain, not being in the left brain, thinking we have it figured out before we even start. I am a large advocate for not doing that, because surprises, those mistakes, those surprises often bring the best, well, best is not the right word. They bring innovation. There's the word. So there's collage that I started there. Sometimes it ends up getting completely covered up. Over here, this piece is still not done. Some rabbit skin glue in there. I might go into this painting again today. I'm thinking I want to see like a white veiled almost entity with a deep red on either side. I am figuring it out now, because now I'm getting to those kind of end stages, which that can completely change again. I might do it, it might not work, and then I just go back into that idea of mucking about once again. So once I get going here, I will move some panels onto this surface and do another short video. Okay, you all.